Hey there, folks! Did you know it costs just 12.5 cents to produce a $100 bill? And even though Benjamin Franklin was never a US president, he's been owning that bill for over 100 years. Welcome to Make It 247. Grab your popcorn, get comfy, and let's dive into one of the most secretive, high-security places on Earth, the Bureau of Engraving and Printing, where the legendary US dollar comes to life. But hold on, this isn't just any piece of paper, it's a masterpiece, a scientific marvel packed with mind-blowing technology, all designed to keep counterfeiters running in circles. We're peeling back the curtain, layer by layer, to show you exactly how this symbol of American power and wealth is created. Let's start with a quick history lesson. Did you know the US dollar story goes back to 1690? By 1792, it officially became the dollar we know today, thanks to the US Federal Reserve. But today, we're all about the superstar, the $100 bill, where Franklin's face has stood the test of time. Over the years, it's evolved into a tech-savvy, counterfeit-proof fortress that even the sharpest forgers can't crack. So, how does it all come together? It begins with carefully selected cotton and linen fibers. These fibers don't just get thrown together, they're purified at a scorching 280 degrees Fahrenheit. Shredded, ground, and treated with chemicals, these fibers are transformed into long, tough threads that get woven into the paper. This isn't just any paper, it's durable, designed to withstand millions of hands handling it every day. This paper is the backbone of the US economy. Here's where things get really cool. Embedded within the paper is a security thread that literally glows under UV light. Yep, just hold it up and bam, an electrifying pink glow. Not to mention the portrait watermark. A ghostly image of Franklin appears on both sides when you hold the bill up to the light. The paper is meticulously stacked and scanned for every detail, including incredible 3D effects that change when you tilt the note. Once it gets the green light, the stacks head straight to the printing presses for the grand finale. It's a mind-blowing process, and now you know how one of the most iconic symbols of American life is created from scratch. Those intricate designs, iconic portraits, and patriotic symbols you see on your bills. They're brought to life using cutting-edge printing techniques that give each note that smooth, silky feel we all recognize. This is precision work at its finest. There's no room for error here. The offset printing process is the first step, where images are transferred from a metal plate to a rubber blanket and then finally onto the paper. The result? Detailed designs that practically jump off the page, crisp and clear, like they're ready to tell their story. Let's not forget those gleaming metallic numbers on your bill, proof that what you're holding is the real deal, 100% legit. Once these stunning bills are printed, they go through rigorous quality checks to ensure each one is flawless. Each bill also gets its own unique serial number, making it traceable from production to circulation. Highly trained inspectors scrutinize every detail, ensuring only the most perfect bills make it through. Once approved, these sheets are cut into individual bills, measured to perfection, and bundled into straps. But it's not just about the aesthetics. Security features are front and center. One of the coolest tricks up the dollar's sleeve? The color-shifting ink in the lower right corner. Tilt your bill back and forth and watch in awe as the 100 magically changes from copper to green. It's a simple move, but it's packed with high-tech security. Then they're cut into perfect uniform dollar bills. Just the right size to fit in your wallet, stack in a register, or hand over at the store. Precision is everything, and every bill comes out identical, ready to circulate through the financial system. But But the journey doesn't stop there. The freshly minted bills are bundled up in clear plastic, tightly wrapped and sealed for security. These bundles are then packed into boxes and transported under heavy guard to ensure no one tampers with your cash. Let's dive into the next step of our fascinating journey, where we uncover a form of money that's just as common in our everyday lives. It's heavier, but surprisingly holds far less value. Have you guessed it already? That's right, coins. Those small, jingling pieces of metal that we often take for granted but play such a vital role in so many of our daily transactions. From parking meters to vending machines, coins are everywhere, and yet we rarely stop to think about the intricate process behind their creation. Stay with us as we explore this overlooked yet essential part of our financial system. Check out this powerful machine. It cranks out 187.50 coins a minute, making over $11,000 an hour. That's American productivity at its best. Now, let's talk about the humble quarter, the 25-cent coin we use every day. But have you ever wondered what it's made of? The materials may seem worthless, but through the minting process, they become essential currency. At the US Mint, over 3 million quarters are produced daily. It all starts with raw metals like copper and nickel. The metals are melted, shaped into blanks, and pressed into coins with designs on both sides. Each coin is inspected for perfection, any flaws, and the entire batch is scrapped. Finally, they're bagged and sent out into circulation. So next time you use a quarter, remember the amazing journey it took to get into your hands. From raw, unrefined metal to meticulously crafted coins, each step in the production process plays a crucial role in bringing these coins into our everyday lives. Whether it's the extraction of copper and nickel or the precision stamping that ensures every coin is perfect, this process guarantees that the coins in your pocket are built to last and serve millions of transactions across the nation. Every coin tells a story of careful craftsmanship, attention to detail, and American ingenuity. If you're fascinated by these kinds of production journeys, be sure to hit subscribe to Make It 247. We'll take you behind the scenes of many other fascinating production processes, from the coins you carry to the everyday products you use. Don't miss out on all the exciting discoveries.
Yeah.